Hello and welcome. I bet you clicked on this video because you are trying to win someone back and wondering, how do I get her to love me again? What should I do? Your thoughts are full of memories of all the laughter shared, dreams, and promises exchanged. Your apartment feels emptier without her presence, with her absence echoing through every corner. Here are 5 ways on how to go about it and have her back in no time. 1. Understand the situation first. Before embarking on a journey to win her back, it's crucial to understand the underlying dynamics of the situation. The key to devising a plan lies in empathy and a genuine desire to bridge the gap between you. 2. Reflect and reconnect. In the midst of all the emotions, take a step back. Look for solace in things you love doing alone, like workouts, and use the quiet moments to reflect on yourself. You might find that amidst your love, you may have lost sight of your own aspirations, and this self-realization was the first step towards change. Then, with this newfound clarity, initiate genuine communication by writing down your feelings, a heartfelt letter and not a text message. In it, pour your soul, acknowledging your shortcomings and expressing your love. What you should know here is that your words are an invitation, an outstretched hand across the emotional divide. This is your first step to winning her back or getting her to stop ignoring you. Tip 3. Weave a tale of beautiful memories. Today, in the world of instant messages, choose a more intimate approach. Invite her to that favorite park both of you once loved, the place where your journey had begun. As you stroll down memory lane, recount stories of your initial encounters, of the laughter that echoed through the air, and the promise of forever that was etched in your hearts. Tip 4. Showcase personal growth. Over coffee, share your recent achievements, how you have delved into your passions, embracing personal growth. The twinkle in your eyes has to speak volumes, with an infectious enthusiasm. With this, she will observe the changes you have made with yourself, the evolution of the man she had fallen in love with. This will make her admire you even more. Your interactions with her should mirror this transformation, creating an atmosphere where healing could transpire. Tip 5. Practice patience. As the days turned into weeks, resist the urge to rush the process. Try and respect her space, understanding that healing and reconciliation operate on their own timeline. With this in place, you will notice sporadic conversations begin to carry a glimmer of familiarity, a testament to the patience you had. Tip 6. Fostering shared experiences. Collaborate on shared hobbies that will help you to spend more time with her and also help her remember how fun it was to do those things with you before. With a heart full of hope, plan a surprise date, an evening reminiscent of your first date. Go for a nostalgic setting to stir emotions, the echoes of the past mingling with the promise of a future together. Tip 7. Embrace authenticity. As the barriers between you begin to crumble, be sure to remain vulnerable without restraint. Acknowledge your mistakes and seek forgiveness with a humility that only authenticity could bring. In a quiet moment, look into her eyes and speak from the heart. Your apology should be unfiltered, a raw confession that holds no room for pride. This will be a bridge that cements the divide, a gesture that holds the potential to mend what was broken. As these tips to rekindle what was lost serves as a guiding light for those seeking to win back the hearts they cherish, remember, every relationship is unique, with a connection that is worth fighting for. See you next time.